Hi everyone, welcome to Periscope. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demo of the AI autoresponder feature on Periscope that can be trained to respond on your behalf on WhatsApp. Let's start by switching on the AI responder from the settings page. Go to Settings, AI Settings, and make sure AI responder and AI flagging are both enabled. We also need to enable the AI responder on the chat where we want to use it. With this setup, we can now move on to training the AI. Head over to Settings and AI Knowledge Base. Here, you will see two tabs for FAQs and documents, which we will use to train the AI. Let me share an example of a basic FAQ. An FAQ comprises of a question and an answer. You will notice that the question has not one but three related questions to which there is one single answer. It's usually best practice to give different versions of a question to the AI. Let's see it in action. Here, I'm sending a message as an external member which gets flagged, and AI goes into a thinking state. We can choose to take over to stop AI from responding, but here the AI responds with the correct answer as set up in our FAQs. Let me share one more example. Here we have a question setup that indicates that the client is facing an error, but instead of a static response, we can give AI specific instructions on how to respond to this kind of a query, like asking the client for their details or to elaborate on the problem. Our third FAQ contains a specific problem for which there's a specific troubleshooting step. Let's see this combo in action. The client says they're facing an error. The AI asks the client what error are they encountering and if they could provide their org ID as instructed. Let me respond by saying my phone is not connecting. And now the AI correctly responds with the troubleshooting steps. But what if the issue isn't resolved yet? Let me respond by saying that the solution did not work. Periscope AI handled the situation very well by raising a ticket and informing a human agent. You will also notice that the AI is no longer thinking as it has handed over the chat to a human. Let me now go over the steps to uploading a document as a training dataset. Here we have a sample training dataset. It is usually a good idea to separate out the training dataset into paragraphs where each paragraph contains information about a single topic. Let's upload this document and try this out. Let me ask a question about Periscope's webhooks. Oops, looks like the AI misunderstood the question and offered information about APIs instead. Let me ask a follow-up question. This time, it correctly figured out the exact question and got me a list of all the webhooks as listed in our document. That's it for this video. We're excited to see how you use this feature for your customer success. Thank you for watching.